Alright, I'm here. Car's dirty now. It's been raining. First time at Mr. Tako. Let's go check it out. Wow, all this for $39, man. Pretty cheap. Look at that. Only $39. Crazy. Yeah. There's a Genesis coupe. A rainy day, man. Car's filthy now. Raining out here, sun is out. Yeah, I'm about to start driving, but yeah. Forgot to mention it is Cinco de Mayo, 5th of May. It smells good too. Authentic. So here you go. Here's a rice, beans. I'm not eating that, but this is my chicken quesadilla. My burrito. Burrito smaller than I thought it would be. That's good. Hope it has a yellow cheese. See what's in here. And here's the rest of it, right? I got 2 more rices. Those for me. This is the fish taco. There you go. Got a shrimp taco here. And this is my chicken taco. But I have to remove the limes because I can't eat them. So, alright. That's all. And I'll do a taste test. But I left this in the package because some of it spilled. Some of the sauce spilled in the bag. But yeah, some green sauce is here. The red sauce. I usually don't eat the green because those usually hot. More green sauce. Some of this is sour cream here. But yeah. I'll try a little bit of sauce, but not too much. I don't like spicy, so. Yeah, here it is, man. It looks good, smells good. So let me go do a taste test before I warm it up. Alright, here it is. Looking good. Okay, so I'm going to taste test it before I go downstairs and warm it up. So yeah, I'm using my fingers for the rice for right now. Let me see. Rice is good. Gotta buy the quesadilla here. Yeah, and what I noticed is like there's onion in here, right? It's like cooked onion. I immediately smelled it and I looked at it. It's cooked onion inside there. A little bit salty, but not too much salt. You know, I'm a low salt diet, but that is a different quesadilla. That's good. Burrito. Now, I just got beans and cheese on the burrito. That's it. That's how I like my burritos. I don't like adding everything else. So, and it sucks right now because, you know, the food is cooled down, so I'm going to go warm it up. But I do like the burrito, man. A plus side, they use the yellow cheese. Stop using the white cheese in burritos. So there's a mixture of both in there, the white and the yellow cheese in there. So that cheddar cheese. So that's what I see in it. So yeah. Burrito's good. I don't know. I think I like it better than the other burritos that I've tested out around Dallas. But yeah, it's good. Not the best. Like I said, best burritos I've had is at Alberto's Mexican restaurant in Arizona. That's the best Mexican food I've ever had. It's called Alberto's, not Alberto's. Ali, A-L-I. There's an I and then Berto's. And that was in Arizona. So, but yeah, for what it is, man, yeah, I mean, it's good. This is definitely the best Mexican food that's closest to me. So it's, you know, McKinney, right? It's the best Mexican food in Dallas, McKinney area, in my opinion. For now, that I've taste tested so far. It's called Mr. Tako. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to get some food. I'm about to go watch Sonic the Hedgehog 3 on Amazon Prime. I saw it when it released in theaters. I uploaded a video of me where I was in the theaters. I was singing. My sister was sitting next to me, but she didn't grow up with the game, so she didn't know the song. She grew up with the original song, The Hedgehogs, when I was a little kid. But I was singing "Live and Learn" song, you know, when they were playing it during the final scene in the film. So I was singing it out loud. People probably thought it was crazy, but yeah, I uploaded that, but they copyrighted me, strike it. So, but somehow other channels are able to upload it. Anyway, yeah, man, it's good. I mean, based on what I tested in terms of Dallas area, I give it 7.5. It's good. It's the closest to where I am. I give it a 7.5, maybe an 8. Can't give it a 10. Like I said, for me, Aliberto's was a 9 or a 10. And that was out in Arizona. But Arizona and Los Angeles have superior Mexican food compared to Texas in general. I don't care what anyone says. They do. Just go eat the food out there. Don't listen to people in Texas who say that the Mexican food here is better. Now, El Paso, yeah, I can see that. I would like to eat El Paso food. That's like right on the border of Mexico. And also the owners of this restaurant, you know, I was told by someone in my family that they're from Mexico themselves, so. And it's Cinco de Mayo, so there you go. So I got a new spot, even though I have cholesterol problems and everything else, so can't eat this too much. But hey, I like some Mexican food. They're my favorite, man. Latino women know it. I like my Mexican food. Anyway, I'm out. Good video here, man. So I'll see you. And also one last thing before I end the video, I would say they didn't add like tortilla chips in the bag, and there's no guacamole for the quesadillas. Like most restaurants usually have that as standard, but if you're expecting that, they don't. They probably sell those separately on the menu. I don't know, but they weren't in the bag. Anyway, still good food. Let me watch the movie, enjoy my food. Take care. I'll see you. Oh, so I forgot my taco. It was in the other box, but here it is. Here it is, man. And all that sauce spilled out from the other one. Alright, let me see. Well, it's good. Mm-hmm. I'm not really a taco person, but it's called Mr. Taco. It's one of the best tacos I've had in Dallas, McKinney, so there you go. See ya.
Headshot.